Hi, in the last video about diminished 7th passing chords, I showed you how you could harmonise the notes of a C major chord with a C6 chord in what we call a block chord voicing. And the passing notes which pass in between the chord notes, so D is a passing note between C and E, and F a passing note in between E and G, we harmonise with diminished 7th chords, again in a block chord voicing. So C6, diminished 7th, C6, diminished 7th, C6. Now I'm going to show you how you can adapt this slightly to create what we call drop 2 voicings. So just take the notes of the right hand and take the next to the top note down 1 octave, and we now have what we call a drop 2 voicing, which has a slightly more contemporary feel about it. So the straightforward block chord voicing, drop 2, just take the right hand voicing, drop the next to the top note 1 octave, and that's the drop 2 voicing. Hope you found that useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.